Hey folks, Alex here. So, after the world premiere of Let's Be Frank in Bloomington, Minnesota this past June, I'm now coordinating a Texas premiere next month in August in Austin, and I need your help. Between theater rental fees and travel expenses, the overall cost of this premiere will run me about $800 to maybe $1,500. And unfortunately, that is money I simply do not have. That's where you come in. The Texas premiere in Austin will be an event dedicated specifically for the screening of Let's Be Frank. After inquiring about potential screenings at a handful of different venues, I've ultimately decided I'd like to try and showcase it at the Blue Starlight Drive-In. I have a personal affection towards drive-in movie theaters, and I can't think of a better venue to showcase this documentary. Now, the amount of money I'm able to raise from this fundraiser will determine exactly how many people and cars I can accommodate for this showing. Here is a simplified version of the rental packages they offer. I'd like to have the event on a Friday, Saturday, or maybe even a Sunday. But go figure, there's an extra fee for Fridays and Saturdays. Last year I was able to raise nearly $1,000 from the Bullet community to help pay for my trip down Route 66 on the Legend Lives Tour 2. $125 of which is left over and is now being applied towards the Texas premiere. Included in the rental fee is 1 to 1.5 hours of pre-show entertainment, which sounds like a great opportunity for a Bullet car show and meet and greet, right? Did I mention they also have a bring your own beer policy? Nice. Upon completion of the movie, I'll then host a Q&A session with myself and the crew. The event will take up to 4.5 hours in total and should end sometime around midnight. And this premiere is extra special to me because Austin is where I began production of Let's Be Frank, and I'll be able to showcase it along with my production crew, as well as the Bullet owners that helped me get started. August is just around the corner, so I need to act now if I'm going to make this happen. If you are willing and able to make a donation, I will be forever grateful. If you have any questions about the Texas premiere and/or the fundraiser, feel free to hit me up on the Let's Be Frank Facebook page. Thank you.